Howdy partners, welcome to our kitchen where the magic happens. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Today, we're diving into a dish that's bursting with vibrant colors and tantalizing tastes. Grilled Shrimp Ceviche is where it's at. Imagine succulent shrimp, marinated to perfection in a spicy blend, combined with the freshest ingredients. It's a party in your mouth. Every bite is a celebration of flavors, guaranteed to make your taste buds dance. Habanero pepper brings the heat. This fiery little pepper packs a punch, adding a bold kick to our ceviche. Smoked paprika adds a smoky twist. Its deep, rich flavor complements the heat, creating a perfect balance. This recipe will have you saying, "Mas, por favor." One bite and you'll be hooked, craving more of this delicious dish. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Juicy shrimp, tangy lime juice, and a medley of fresh ingredients come together in perfect harmony. This ceviche is the perfect summer appetizer or light meal. It's refreshing, flavorful, and ideal for any occasion. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Join us on this culinary adventure and bring a fiesta of flavor to your table. Ready to gather your ingredients? Let's do this. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to create a zesty shrimp ceviche. This dish is all about fresh, vibrant flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. So let's start by gathering everything we need. For the shrimp, you'll need large, fresh shrimp. Make sure they're deveined and cleaned properly. Next, grab some high-quality olive oil. This will add a rich, smooth texture to your ceviche. You'll also need fresh lime juice, which will cook the shrimp with its acidity. Don't forget the garlic and a fiery habanero pepper for that extra kick. Season your ceviche with smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. These spices will enhance the overall flavor profile. Don't forget the ceviche ingredients. Fresh vegetables are key to a delicious ceviche. You'll need Roma tomatoes and red onion. These will add a sweet and tangy crunch. Fresh cilantro and more lime juice are essential. They bring a burst of freshness to the dish. Finally, don't forget the salt and avocado. The avocado adds a creamy texture that balances the acidity of the lime juice. Fresh ingredients make all the difference. Always choose the best quality produce you can find. Make sure your shrimp are nice and plump. This ensures they stay juicy and flavorful. Roma tomatoes should be firm and red. This indicates they are ripe and full of flavor. And don't forget to choose a habanero pepper with a fiery red color. Freshness equals flavor. The fresher your ingredients, the better your ceviche will taste. Now that we have everything, let's get cooking. Time to fire up that grill. First, marinate the shrimp. This is where the magic begins. A good marinade can make all the difference, infusing the shrimp with layers of flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. Olive oil, lime juice, garlic, habanero pepper, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix it all up. These ingredients come together to create a zesty, spicy marinade that will elevate your shrimp to the next level. Make sure to mix thoroughly so every shrimp gets an even coating. Let those shrimp soak up the flavors. Give it at least 30 minutes, but if you have the time, let them marinate for a few hours. The longer they sit, the more intense the flavor will be. Then, thread them onto skewers. This makes grilling easier and ensures even cooking. Now, for the grill. Make sure your grill is hot and ready. Get those grill marks nice and charred. This not only adds a smoky flavor, but also gives the shrimp a beautiful, appetizing appearance. Grill each side for about 2-3 minutes until they are perfectly cooked. While the shrimp cool, make the ceviche. This refreshing mix will complement the smoky, spicy shrimp perfectly. Dice those Roma tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. Fresh ingredients are key here. The tomatoes add sweetness, the onions bring a bit of bite, and the cilantro adds a burst of freshness. Squeeze in that fresh lime juice. Season with salt. The lime juice adds a tangy brightness that ties all the flavors together. Don't be shy with the lime. Gently fold in the grilled shrimp. Be careful not to break them apart. You want each bite to have a perfect balance of shrimp and veggies. Now comes the best part, eating. Gather your friends and family and enjoy this delicious, fresh, and flavorful dish. It's perfect for a summer day or any time you want to impress your guests. Section 4. Freshness is key for a flavorful fiesta. Remember those fresh ingredients? They're the stars of the show. Juicy tomatoes, bright cilantro, tangy lime juice. They create a symphony of flavors that'll make you want to dance. Fresh ingredients make all the difference in this recipe. They bring the zest, the zing, the POW. So don't skimp on the good stuff, folks. Your taste buds will thank you. Section 5. Spice up your table and share the joy. This grilled shrimp ceviche is ready to shine. Serve it up in pretty bowls. Garnish with cilantro and lime wedges. Tortilla chips are a must. This dish is perfect for sharing, so invite your friends and family over. Let them taste the magic of this spicy, fresh ceviche. And don't forget to share the recipe. Happy cooking, y'all!